Okay, hi everyone. I just wanted to do a really quick demonstration just to show you how I clean our vegetables. So I've just used as an example just an everyday bag of spinach, which obviously we can get from the shops, which says washed and ready to eat. So what I'm going to do is just soak it in some tap water to give it a quick rinse to get any herbicides and pesticides off. So we'll just pop that in there. And I've also got some pH 11 alkaline water here as well. So I'm going to put some of that in there. And we'll put a bit more in the tap water. That in there. I know it says it's washed and ready to eat, but I still like to wash things first. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and check it and see how we go. Okay, so I'm back. So I've just had the baby spinach soaking for about 5 minutes. So I'll just turn this around and see if you can see. So I can already see a huge, so this is the Kangen water. So you can actually see the colour of it. And this is the tap water. So what I'm going to do is tip out the water from these cups and show you the amount that comes out. Okay, so I'm just going to tip out the Kangen water. Okay, and now I'm going to tip out the tap water. So look at that, guys. Look how much stuff, herbicides, insecticides, pesticide has been extracted from the water, from the spinach that is supposedly ready to eat. How scary is that? So that's just sitting in the Kangen pH 11 water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So just quick demonstration there for you.